Hello students, today we are going to continue with our topic of advertisements, and today we have put some public notices or court notice. Okay, so first of all this particular advertisement comes into public notice columns and this is categorized as court notice. So first of all let's see this. You are Sanjeev Kumar, write a public notice to be published in the classified columns of the newspaper informing the general public of the change in your name. Means, for example, you are going to change your name for because of some reason, because of some personal reasons or some commercial reasons or some astrological reasons. You are going to change your name. Okay, and you are to inform the general public about the change in your name. Okay, so for that you will be writing a notice in the newspaper. Okay, and second is write a court notice having declaration about the prohibition of selling or purchasing of a plot due to a dispute between two brothers. Means generally there are some notices that are pasted or that are published in the newspaper from the side of the court, and they have information about a plot that the selling and purchasing of that property or that house or that particular plot is prohibited because there is a dispute between two parties, and that at the court is and the case is under trial. So the selling or purchasing of that particular land or accommodation or that house is prohibited by the court. Okay, तो कोर्ट उसके लिए बाकायदा नोटिस जो है इशू करता है कि भाई आप इसकी सेलिंग और परचेजिंग नहीं हो सकती, तो उसके लिए वो कोर्ट नोटिस होता है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स सी पब्लिक नोटिस. ओके, you are Sanjeev Kumar. We have the information that our name is Sanjeev Kumar. Okay, और हमें यहाँ से अपना नाम चेंज करना है. You can write public notice. Okay, and you can write name changing as well. Okay. You are free to choose any of the headings, public notice or name changing. You are free to choose any one of them. Now, how will we write? I, Sanjeev Kumar, hereby declare that I have, sorry, there is one more thing. I, Sanjeev Kumar, son of Sri Govind Kumar, okay, resident of Friends Colony, Karnal, have changed my name from Sanjeev Kumar to Sanjeev Kumar name. Okay. In his formal documents, in his testimonials, he has the name Sanjeev Kumar, and because of some reasons, he is going to change his name to Sanjeev Kumar name. Okay. Further communication will be done with the new name. ओके कि आगे जो मेरे साथ कम्युनिकेशन होगा या जो भी इंटरेक्शन या भी जो भी आपस में जो बिहेवियर होगा, दैट विल बी विद द न्यू नेम, एंड द न्यू नेम दैट इज संजीव कुमार ने. ऑल concerned people are requested to not and all concerned means all concerned people means they have linked with him because of some professional, personal, family relations. All concerned people are requested to note and address with the new name in future. Okay, so that is your public notice for changing. ओके, नाउ यहाँ पर हमें क्या करना है कि सीधे सीधे हमें लिखना है संजीव कुमार सन ऑफ दिस, ओके, रेजिडेंस ऑफ दिस, ये आपका एड्रेस है, हैव चेंज माय नेम फ्रॉम संजीव कुमार टू संजीव कुमार नेम. फर्दर कम्युनिकेशन विल बी डन विद द न्यू नेम, इस नए नाम के साथ आगे का कम्युनिकेशन होगा. और ऑल कंसर्न पीपल आर रिक्वेस्टेड टू नोट and address with the new name in future. So this is your advertisement for changing name. कि आपको बताना पड़ता है, फॉर्मल एड्रेस करना पड़ता है लोगों को कि दैट आई एम गोइंग टू चेंज माय नेम एंड इन फ्यूचर आई विल बी एड्रेस्ड, आई विल बी कम्युनिकेटेड एंड द बिहेवियर विल बी टेक प्लेस विद द न्यू नेम. Got it? And sometimes there is advertisement for address changing as well. Okay. Because of some reasons you happen to change your address, तो उसमें भी आप free हैं, you can write public notice or you can write address changing. So how will we deal back with that particular advertisement? उसमें भी हमें ये लिखना, I संजीव कुमार son of this residents of this have changed my name के place पे क्या आ जाएगा, address. ओके, फ्रॉम यहाँ पर आपने लिखना है पुराने वाला एड्रेस, दैट इज ये 14 फ्रेंड्स कॉलोनी करनाल 2, एंड यहाँ पर आपको एक नया एड्रेस देना है. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल 17 रोहिणी फेस 2 न्यू दिल्ली. ओके, तो ये आपके लिए क्या कर लिया है, पुराने वाले एड्रेस से ये एड्रेस पे सेव हुआ है. फर्दर कम्युनिकेशन विल बी डन विद द न्यू एड्रेस. ओके, यहाँ पर आप क्या लिख देंगे, विद द न्यू एड्रेस ऑल कंसर्न पीपल आर रिक्वेस्टेड टू नोट एंड एड्रेस और कम्युनिकेट on the new address in future. Okay, so that will be your advertisement for address change. So both are almost same. In place of address you are to write the word name, और नाम की जगह पर आपको एड्रेस लिखना है, एड्रेस पुराने वाला और नए वाला लिखना है, नाम पुराने वाला और नए वाला लिखना है. Okay, so that is your public notices. Now let's take the court notice. In court notice, we had that there is a plot or there is a property that is under dispute for between two parties or two brothers. Okay, so that there will be a notice from court. Okay, so we will be writing like this: court notice. Okay, it is hereby declared that plot number 153 to Govind Nagar, Alva is as a matter of dispute between two brothers मिस्टर सुरजीत सिंह एंड मिस्टर मनजीत सिंह. Okay, means it is under dispute, a matter of dispute जो है दो ब्रदर्स के मामले में. The matter is under trial in district court and hence the selling and purchasing of the property is prohibited by the court. Okay, so there is nothing special in this advertisement. It is hereby declared that plot number this, it falls in Govindnagar, Alwar, is a matter of dispute between two brothers, Surjit Singh and Mr. Manjit Singh. The matter is under trial in district court. Okay, district court में matter चल रहा है, and hence the selling and purchasing of the property is prohibited by the court. इसलिए मना कीजिए. यहाँ पे आपने लिखना है district court. Okay, so this is your advertisement that falls in court notice. Okay, कि भाई आपने जो प्रॉपर्टी है उसके बारे में बताया और किन किन ब्रदर्स के बारे में जो है ये डिस्प्यूट है और इसी वजह से इसकी जो सेलिंग और परचेजिंग है that is prohibited by the court. So this comes in under the column court notice. Now let's take one more advertisement. And that is called obituary. Obituary are the notices or information regarding the demise or death of a person. Okay. Obituary. Okay. So I'm going to write the advertisement of this kind of information directly with profound grief we inform one and all about the untimely demise of our beloved daughter Radha Gautam after a brief illness. With profound grief, we inform one and all about the untimely demise. Demise means death of our beloved daughter Radha Gautam after brief illness. की थोड़ी सी जो illness के बाद उनका जो है डेथ हो गई on you can write 28th April. Okay, 2020. The cremation will take place in municipal crematorium, Delhi Road. Okay, cremation will take place in municipal crematorium, Delhi Road, Rohtak on Sunday, 1st May 2020. Okay, so this is the obituary कि भाई आप इन्फॉर्म कर रहे हैं कि भाई जो है उनका जो है डेथ हो गई है, that she was ill for some time and the death was on 28th 2020। और जो आपका उसका क्रीमेशन है, वो जो क्रीमेटोरियम है, जो म्यूनिसिपल क्रीमेटोरियम दिल्ली रोड रोहतक, उस पे संडे 1 मई 2020 को होगा। ओके, सो दिस इज द इंफॉर्मेशन रिगार्डिंग दिस. You can write in next line, grief stricken. Okay, Mr. and Mrs. Gopal Gautam, parents. Okay, Mr. Sudhir Gautam, brother. All friends and relatives. Okay, so this is your obituary advertisement. Okay, इसमें आपको बस ये है इन्फॉर्म करना है कि भाई दैट द पर्सन हु पास्ड अवे, और जिसका जो क्रीमेशन है वो कब होना है, कहाँ पर होना है. सो दैट इज ऑल delivered through this kind of advertisements. Okay, so this is our obituary. One more advertisement, that is appeal. Okay, so what kind of appeals are generally made? Generally for some fundraising, some blood group, some other donation of some other organs, and the people who are in need generally appeal to the general public. Okay, for some kind of things. तो वो सभी अपील में आते हैं. Here we are writing an appeal. A young and promising boy is lying on bed in a, in a wounded condition in Srimati Meera Devi Hospital, Gurugram. Okay, a young and promising boy is lying on bed in a wounded condition in Srimati Meera Devi Hospital, Gurugram. Okay, he requires blood of AB positive at the अर्लीस्ट. ओके, जल्दी से जल्दी उसको AB पॉजिटिव ब्लड ग्रुप की रिक्वायरमेंट है. एनीबडी विद द सेम ब्लड ग्रुप इज रिक्वेस्टेड टू कॉन्टैक्ट at the earliest. Okay, contact, or rather please contact. Okay, so this is your appeal. देखिए क्या लिखा है इसमें हमने. ए यंग एंड प्रोमिसिंग बॉय इज लाइंग ऑन बेड इन ए वाउंडेड कंडीशन, इंजर्ड है, वाउंडेड है बिकॉज ऑफ सम एक्सीडेंट, एंड वेयर इज लाइंग इन श्रीमती मीरा देवी हॉस्पिटल, गुरुग्राम. ओके, ही रिक्वायर्स ब्लड ऑफ एपीजी, ब्लड ऑफ AB पॉजिटिव ग्रुप at the earliest. Okay, anybody with the same blood group is requested to contact at the earliest. भी अगर किसी का blood group यही है, AB positive है, तो he is requested to contact at the earliest. Please contact and this contact. Okay, so there might be another kind of appeals for fundraising from some NGO and कि भाई ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा donate करें, or from NGOs to contribute in PM relief fund, CM relief fund, and this kind of appeals can also be there. Okay, so overall we have taken our all kinds of advertisements in these 4 or 5 lectures. I hope you have understood all the things discussed in this lecture. Thank you very much.